Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Maxify MB2150. I want to show you how to restore factory default setting with this printer. You need to use side arrow button to go all the way to setup. Select OK. Then it will show you maintenance. Scroll to device settings. Select OK to device settings. It will show you fax settings, print settings, LAN settings, device user settings, language selection, fireware update, casket settings, admin password setting, operation restrictions, reset settings. Select OK. It will show you web service setup only. It will show you web service setup only, LAN settings only, telephone number only, settings only, device information, sending setting only, email. So scroll down, select reset all. Select OK. All fast documents in memory will be deleted. Reset, then select OK. Reset settings. Scroll up to select yes. Select OK to confirm. Processing, please wait momentarily. And this will disconnect the printer from wireless connection. Every other setup. Reset setting. Reset all. Then select OK. The following is completed. Reset setting. Reset all. Select, then select OK. Fast setting has been reset. To send and receive fast, select easy setup from fast settings and set up the fast. Then select OK. Then reset setting, LAN setting only. Reset all. The following is completed. Then you go back, select OK. Then you can go back to the home page. And if you look, the printer is no longer connected to wireless network. If you switch the printer off, then you need to reconnect the printer to a network for you to be able to set the printer up again. So if you switch the printer off and switch it back on again, for example, so you start afresh to reset the printer again to network. But this is how to reset the printer to factory default setting. Thank you very much indeed.